There's tons of information, blogs, websites, and videos claiming that you can get wine out of your carpet using salt, and today we are going to put that claim to the test. I have two 3-ounce glasses of wine that I'm going to be pouring onto this carpet. On the left side, I will be using salt to try and extract the stain, and on the right side, I will do absolutely nothing and just let that wine sit into the carpet. After pouring the salt onto the wine, I will let it sit for 24 hours to pick it up and see how much and if it removes the stain with it. In most of the information I saw online, you need to use iodized salt, just like what I am using here. Now, I did realize that as I was pouring the salt onto the wine, it immediately started to pick up and absorb the wine. So at the very least, it is picking up the wine, so that is a good start here, but let's wait and see how it turns out. The information that I read says that you need to let it completely dry, so for that, I am going to let it sit here for a full 24 hours and check back in. Now we've had 24 hours to dry, it's time to go ahead and pick up the salt and see how much of that stain it removes with it. Now I can already see that it's not pulling up all of the stain. There is still some red in that carpet, so it's not looking great at the moment. It did not pull all of the wine out of the carpet. However, maybe it kept some of that wine from getting deeper into the carpet fibers, and it will make it easier to clean up. So now what I'm going to do is use my portable carpet cleaner to extract the rest. For this, I'm just going to follow the directions of the portable carpet cleaner. Starting on the right side where I did not use the salt, I went over the stain a few times using the carpet cleaner as directed, spraying water onto the spot with the cleaner, scrubbing it into the carpet, and then extracting the liquid afterwards. I went over it 2-3 times and got most of the stain up. It looks like all of the stain is coming up here on the right side without the salt. Then I went over to the left side where I did use the salt, doing the same thing as I did on the other side, spraying the water on, extracting, spraying, extracting, so on and so forth. So again, I went over each side about 3 times, and as far as I can tell, there's really not a big difference between the two. So after this experiment, I would have to say that salt does absorb wine, but it doesn't really do a better job than without salt. In my opinion, you'd probably be better off just cleaning up the mess right away with the portable carpet cleaner if you have one. The one that I am using here is the Bissell little green machine. Hopefully this was helpful. If you like DIY around the house, please feel free to like and subscribe. My name is Drew. I'll see you in the next one.